All right. This is Zach, and we have Vernon and Evelyn with us today, and we just closed on their property. And Vernon, Evelyn, thank you for agreeing to meet with me on Zoom. So I'm just going to
Sure.
ask you a few questions. What was your situation like? Or what made you decide to sell the property?
Well, the house was built in 1957, a very solid structure, but no updating since 1957. So it did need updating and a roof repair. Yeah, well, new roof. Um,
Hmm.
I didn't have the money or the time to get that much involved with it. So I thought, and I seen advertisements about sell your house, we'll pay you cash, we'll um, uh, just leave it like it is. You don't have to clean up anything. You don't have to do anything. Just we'll buy it. And I seen that, and I thought, yep, I like that. So it needed a new kitchen, you know. But as I said, the structure of it was really good, really well built. It's a full brick, you know. So that's what we did. I told my wife that's what I was going to do, and she agreed, and that's how we went uh, with Sell House
Hmm.
Columbus.com.
All right,
Yep.
excellent, excellent. And you know what they say, sir? I'm a married man myself, so happy wife, happy life, right?
There you go.
There you go. And what was your experience working with our company, Sell House Columbus, and with me as your sales representative?
Well, I had never done it that way, never sold a house that way, but I mean, it was all right. It was, uh, sold quicker than I thought it would, you know. So, you know, sometimes and I wanted to move quickly. I wanted to get it sold, get out of it, and I just because I knew I didn't have the money or the time to put into it, so there was no sense in going any further with remodeling.
Uh,
So I got took that avenue.
all right, gotcha, gotcha. And last question, what would you say to homeowners out there who's looking to sell their property for cash quickly?
Well, I would say it'll go pretty quick. Don't be surprised. I guess sometimes it does. It sells quicker than you might think. But
Hmm.
it's an easy out.
Hmm.
You know.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. And thank you, Vernon. Thank you, Tita Evelyn. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
working with both of you. Again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you're looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Thanks, and
Thank
see
Thank
you
you.
on
you.
the next video. Maraming salamat po.
Uh,
Thank
Salamat
you
po.
also.
All right.
Bye.